पेगासस मामले पर मुल्क भर में कांग्रेस पार्टी का एहतजाज जारी है। गुवाहाटी में कांग्रेस पार्टी की जानिब से चलो राजभवन प्रोग्राम का इनेकाद किया गया। इस दौरान एहतजाजी कांग्रेस लीडरों ने वज़ीर-ए-आज़म के खिलाफ जमकर नारेबाजी की।
Pegasus spyware app, NSO, who is recognized by the Israel government, and they have categorically stated that they have developed this spyware only for the purpose of government use. They are not selling it to any private party, any individual except to the government. And till now they have sold it to 48 numbers of countries. And out of that, India is also one. India has also purchased it. So this is from this, it is clear that this Pegasus spyware was used by Narendra Modi government against the political leaders, opponent leaders, none else. This is number one. And number two, the purpose of Pegasus was the government has purchased, different government has purchased this just to know in advance the activities of the foreign enemies. So for that purpose it has to be supposed to be used. But the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Home Minister Amit Shah, they have misused it. They have not used for the security of our country. Rather, they have used it to hack and tap the telephone of the leaders, opposition leaders, those who are opposed to it, mainly Rahul Gandhi and many journalists also, your fraternity people.
मध्य प्रदेश में महकमा मौसमियात के जरिए रियासत के 18 अजला में भारी बारिश को